Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Glamzville here. Are you battling with the summer heat or you're seeking for a lightweight makeup routine with no foundation? This tutorial is for you. So today I want to show you how to create a no foundation makeup look that is perfect for every day and also perfect for this hot weather, especially Nigerians living in Nigeria. It is hot over here. So first off, I use Mario Skin Spray to moisturize the face and leave it hydrated. Next, I used my moisturizer from Blossom and then I applied it generously on the face. After moisturizing our lips, I went ahead to use another moisturizer from Cosmetics. I'm not one that will just start a makeup and then start applying foundation. I need to give the skin enough moisture for it to be able to absorb anything I will apply on the face. So this moisturizer is Bomb Moisturizer from Cosmetics, and then I used Milk Hydro Grip on this cheeks. Like this primer is everything. You can see even with the primer, the skin is still glowing. See how it grips to the skin. Look at that. Did you see that? Okay, so after that, I am now contouring the face since we will not be using foundation. So I'm contouring the face with Avoa concealer in the shade 070. So I'm contouring all the places that needs to be contoured, and I will highlight it with the Avoa concealer 2 shade lighter than our skin. I'm blending it out with my damp beauty sponge from DD Beauty. You can see I'm not rushing to blend this out. I'm taking my time to blend it because I don't want any harsh lines. You can also use your brush to blend it out if you're comfortable with it, but for me, I prefer Beauty Blender because it makes it much easier for me. So while blending your concealer, make sure you are light-handed. Don't go too hard. You know, under the eyes is a sensitive place, and of course concealer is light. It is not as heavy as foundation, so always blend out your concealer lightly. Just dab dab dab, just slowly until everything is blended out. Dab 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 gently, and this is what we have. I mean, I love this. I love this. Is natural. Like you can see that through the skin. This is giving everything. I think I'll be doing more of this no foundation makeup because it's looking very light. It's looking natural. It's looking like it's a skin, no foundation on it. It's not looking heavy. Can you guys see it? If you're still with us to this point, please do well to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, comment below. I want to know what you like about this no foundation makeup, or would you like me to do more of this? I just want to know because I'm loving it already. I love this. It's looking natural and also light, so it's really good for this hot season. I'm contouring her nose with the powder 1 shade darker than her skin tone. Just watch and enjoy the rest of the video. I'm highlighting the face with my liquid highlighter, the cheek, the nose, the forehead, and then I seal it with my Seal It So Pro. This spray is everything. This is what we have, guys. Just look at that skin. Look at that skin, guys. Look at that. Like, I ate this look and left no crumbs. Look at how natural it looks. I love it. You can always rock that look without your lashes. You can see she's not on lash and it still came out nice, beautiful. Let me know what you like about this video. If you would like to try the no foundation makeup, and until next time, see you guys. Bye.